Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Dr. Khalid Hakim. Today we are going to discuss about plagiarism. Plagiarism is defined in dictionaries as the wrongful appropriation, close imitation, or purloining and publication of another author's language, thoughts, ideas, or expressions, and the representation of them as one's own original work. In the academic world, plagiarism is considered the biggest crime. Most of the publishers are participating in two plagiarism detection schemes, Turnitin, aimed at universities, and Authenticate, aimed at publishers and corporations. Manuscripts are checked against a database of 20 million peer-reviewed articles that have been donated by 50-plus publishers, including Elsevier, Springer, Taylor and Francis etc. All post 1994 Elsevier journal content is now included, and the pre-1995 is being steadily added week by week. Editors and reviewers can also detect such issues. Remember, your colleagues can be also your spies. There are other whistleblowers like Retraction Watch which are keeping an eye on all the published materials. It is said that the walls have ears, yes it seems, hence, there shouldn't be any cut and paste job in academic writings. In the next video, I will discuss how to reduce plagiarism in your writings, inshallah. Stay connected. Stay blessed. Fi amanillah.